Actually, that's so bad. Look at that. Can you feel that? I can feel that. So, that's, if you can see, bumibigay na. Kasi yun na, yung kalawang niya ay napakalala. So you can see there on the passenger side, no? On the passenger side, that is the outside world, man. As you can see, may mga pebbles na. Yun na yung labas. Over there also on the drivers. That's the ground. It's bad, but they tell me that they've dealt with worse. Kasalanan namin yan. Yan na yung pagmamaltrato ng kotse na hindi dapat ginagawa. What's up guys, so we're back here in Creekside Customs. We've talked to the owner and we've learned a lot about the shop. We've seen a few of their projects and my what projects they have here. I'm gonna give you guys a sneak peek later, but for now I'm going to show you the current state of the W123. So as you can see, that's not factory. The Mercedes did not come with green body filler from the factory, which says a lot about the car, which says that it has already been restored once upon a time in the era of green putty. And that, my friends, is a long time ago. Actually, that's so bad. Look at that. Can you feel that? I can feel that. So, that's, if you can see, bumibigay na. Kasi yun na, yung kalawang niya ay napakalala. So they've stripped out the interior. It is day 2 here in Creekside. And yan na. Nakikita na lahat ng mga butas dito sa kanyang flooring. So you can see there on the passenger side, no? On the passenger side, that is the outside world, man. As you can see, may mga pebbles na. Yun yung labas. Over there also on the drivers. That's the ground. Also here on the transmission tunnel, that is also the ground. The other holes are talagang designed by Mercedes to be there. Drain holes or holes na kabitan ng iba't ibang mga parts or grommets dito sa floor area ng Mercedes-Benz. But yeah, it's bad, but they tell me that they've dealt with worse. So if they've dealt with worse, I'm confident that they can do this. It is not worse. This is just terrible. It's fucking terrible, man. So yeah, alam mong tinira na to before, and not so good of a job the last time. Well, dati hindi naman kailangan ng restoration. Natambak lang talaga to ng 10 taon. Ginawang lapagan ng halaman at kung ano-ano pa. So yan, daming butas. Well, yung mga butas na yan, kabitan yan ng yung mga trim pieces na stainless steel with rubber. So that has to be replaced with Mercedes replacement parts. As you can see, where the wheel goes, where the reserve wheel goes, butas na po. Butas na yan. Lahat yan butas. So, daming mga fiberglass din. Ano? So as you can see, yung Mercedes craftsmanship, no? May nakalagay na trim piece dyan. Pero, I mean, that's the bodywork from the factory. Maganda. Yan. Kasalanan namin yan. Yan na yung pagmamaltrato ng kotse na hindi dapat ginagawa. But yes, a lot of work to do. Daan tayo dito sa may side. So yeah, more of that sadness, diba? Ano ba yan? Anong tawag dyan yan? Anong tawag dyan? I don't even know what that is. Pero yan, the blue, yan na, hindi yan yung factory na Mercedes, no? Yan yung sa gumawa dati. So yan, yung bulok na boot. So yeah, very bad. Very dirty. Not very dirty. Bulok. There's natural matter stuff na dala ng mga langgam, mga ganung bagay. Marami kasing pinatong na halaman dito. So alam mo naman, langgam may isa halaman. Paano sila akit ng halaman? Dito daan sa kotse. So, ayun, binahayan, pinabihan ng lupa, at kung ano-ano pa. But yes, laban namin to. Tuloy ang laban, tuloy ang gastos. We will not rest until you are back on the road. So if you like this video and you would like to support us in our quest to turn this into a roadworthy vehicle, a vehicle worthy of the money that's gonna be spent just to get it back on the road, then please let us know by hitting the like button, by sharing and subscribing to this channel. It really helps a lot. So again, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you dislike this video, please let us know in the comments below. And as always, enjoy your builds. Ingat.
Zombie apocalypse.
So I'm gonna show you guys something special that they have here. Right off the bat, BMW 523i. Nothing too special. Well, it's a 5 Series, but 2.3 doesn't really spell much for me. Usually, it's M5 or 535 or 545. I'm not really sure how far it goes up in the 5 Series. But, as you will soon see, once we get to the front, that this is no ordinary BMW. This BMW will soon be fitted with a 1UZ FE. And not just a normal 1UZ FE, a former drift motor. So this has been drifted. This is a powerful motor. This is a healthy motor. I mean, it may not look in best shape right now because it's still a work in progress. But this is a healthy motor that will burn tires. Like, I would only see these swaps done in Australia. That was the closest country that I've seen swaps like this on YouTube. On YouTube. Well, alam mo naman, mga drift people dito, malupit na yung mga 2J everything. But 1UZ FE D8 V8. Let's go. Again, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, if you like this car, you'll definitely like this car. Hit the like button, subscribe. Let us know in the comments below what you would do if you have any projects you'd like to share with us. If you dislike this video, let us know in the comments below as well. KJK. Yan na eh. Sige, sabihin mo sa amin.